So today I'm going to show you how to create 100 plus Bible prayer videos with free AI tools and also your phone without any watermark. Since Google disabled Risk AI, creating bulk images was one of the things that a lot of us started facing, because if you're into a faceless channel, you know that one of the things that will make you get monetized is by creating more videos, and at the same time in your faceless videos too, you make sure you create a lot of images. And when it comes to Bible prayer videos, you need a lot of images for your background images, and this became a problem because we were using the Whisk AI to generate bulk images. So I told you in one of my videos that I'll go and find another way to create my bulk images without any stress, and this is what I discovered, and that is what I use to generate this particular Bible prayer videos that you are currently watching. So just watch this video.
I didn't notice. You guided me.
Great. So I hope you like the video you just watched. I use only free AI to do that. So I'm going to show you how to create your images in bulk and also create your videos in bulk and download your videos without any watermark. So let's get right into the video. My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to talk about AI tools, anything that will help you to create your faceless videos. I talk about it on this channel. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you need to do if you want to create Bible prayer video is to get your title. I've made a video over and over talking about how you can get your video ideas, but for the sake of new people here, the first thing you need to do is to come out or think about what you want to do. So assuming you want to create video on healing, you can go to YouTube homepage, just type Bible prayer for healing, and you're going to see a lot of videos on that. Look for a video that is not too current and not too old, that has a lot of views currently or is gaining views currently, and then make videos on that. Then you can also ask ChatGPT to give you a list of video ideas on your topic or on your niche, and ChatGPT is going to do that for you. Now, after you come out with your title, the next thing you're going to do is to come to ChatGPT. That's the first AI tool to write a script. So to write a script, this is a script I'm using. I said write 500 word healing prayer that is deeply emotional, faith-filled, and spiritually uplifting. Avoid generic words. Now in this video, I'm going to try and also link these things to why YouTube is demonetizing a lot of faceless channel. So make sure you watch the video to the end, because if you're into faceless channel or into faceless Bible prayer, then you should understand, you should be able to watch the video to the end if you don't want your channel to be demonetized. So now you see here in my prompt, I asked ChatGPT to avoid generic words. So make sure you always tell ChatGPT to avoid generic introductions, cliches, repetitive phrases, and begin immediately with heartfelt prayer that connects with people. It's very important. And I went ahead to add other personal things to it. So make sure that anytime you are giving ChatGPT a prompt, you will be a bit detailed with your prompt, so that ChatGPT will use your keywords or your understanding to write the script for you. After you get your script like this, you need to generate your voiceover to reduce the pace. Okay, usually when you convert it from here like this, it's going to affect the voice generation. It's going to give you something unprofessional, and we don't want that. So you can see I entered this prompt into ChatGPT, convert the script into a voiceover script and reduce the pace. Now you can see ChatGPT has converted the thing. You can see the format is different from the main script. This is the main script and this is the format. You can see it's different. Now the next thing I went ahead after my voiceover script is by asking ChatGPT to give me a voiceover prompt. Now with a voiceover prompt, you can see that I specified the age. Be specific so that your voiceover prompt will be different from the general request. So I want the person to be a male and also to be in his mid-40s, and you can see the mid-40s voice is going to be different from the original AI voice. If you don't ask for prompt, you are going to get robotic voices, okay, and we don't want that. So here you can see ChatGPT has given me the voice prompt. The next thing you need to do after your voice prompt is to generate or convert your script into a voiceover. So to do that, we are going to use the Google AI Studio. Open your browser like this and then type Google AI Studio in your search. Now we're going to choose this option that comes with the Google AI Studio. This one, tap on it like this. Then this is how the interface looks like, the mobile interface, but I don't like using the mobile interface. I prefer the desktop interface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these three dots like this, then scroll down and look for desktop site. So I prefer the desktop site. So you can see it has changed. The writing and everything has changed. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to select one of the voice templates here. So go through it and then look for the one that suits your prayer video. So for my prayer video, I prefer the add voiceover, a smooth premium commercial voice. So I'm going to tap on it like this. Now, the next you are going to do is to do some few settings. So you come to the top right here. You can see we have Gemini 3.1 Flash, and that's the problem a lot of people are facing. This particular model, I've used it so many times to generate my voiceover, but it doesn't give me what I'm looking for. Sometimes if you're expecting something like 8 minutes or 5 minutes, it gives you 1 minute or less than 1 minute. So I'm not going to use this one. So we are going to use the 2.5 Flash, the older version. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to tap on it like this. And then it's going to bring us to this section. You can see we have a lot of buttons here. We have all feature, Gemini Live, images, video, agents, and then other ones here. We also have the audio button here. And what we are doing is related to audio. So we are going to tap on the audio button. Watch this thing carefully, because if you don't look at these things and then you start looking for the 2.5 Flash, you might not see it unless you click on the audio button. So when you click on the audio button, it's going to give you only AI models that are related to audio. So you can see here we have Gemini 3.1, we have Lyra, we have Lyra 3 Clip, then Gemini 2.5 Pro, and then the Flash Preview. So let's go with the Flash Preview. I prefer that one. Then the next thing you're going to do is to come to the down part here where we have the speaker settings. Tap on it like this and then go through the speakers available and select one that will suit your video. The moment you select the model you want, you're going to see current at the top here, meaning that this is a current AI voice model you are using. So after you do that, you come to the top here. We have the voice style, pace, then accent. I'm going to maintain all these things. I'm not going to make any change. But assuming you are not going to use for prayer video, you're going to use for another thing, then you have to change it. So I'm going to click on the close button at the top to close this. Now this is where I'm going to enter the voice prompt ChatGPT provided. This side, this is where I'm going to enter my voice prompt, and then this is where I'm going to enter my script. So here I'm going to switch to ChatGPT and copy the script. But one thing I noticed that sometimes when you are switching in between these apps, so you might come back to start this whole thing again. And so I'm going to copy all the voice prompts and the script together and paste it in my notepad. This is my notepad, and this is a script ChatGPT provided for me with a voice over prompt. I have it here. So I'm going to copy everything. Okay, so I don't want to switch in between the app, but you will see that whatever we did right now on AI Studio is we might have to start all over again. Okay, so I'm going to copy it so that I will not come back here again. So I'm going to copy it like this and then go to AI Studio. Let's see if now you see it has reload again. So we are going to start the whole process again. So this, I'm going to quickly do that. But the 2.5 Flash is there. Only the voice model has changed. So I'm going to select it again. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click inside this box to paste everything I selected from my notepad here. So I'm going to paste it like this. Then I'm going to scroll down to the last part where I have my voice prompt and cut it. I'm not going to copy. I'm going to cut it and paste it in my voice prompt area. Now I'm going to go to the top here where we have the context text, this side, and then delete the auto prompt there, select all, and then delete it, and then paste my prompt here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down and click on the run button at the down here, tap on it like this to generate your voiceover. So it's going to generate your voiceover for you. When you finish generating your voiceover, you come to the down part again, and then you click on the download button to download your voiceover. Now, after you finish downloading your voiceover, the next thing you're going to do is to create your images, and that's where the bulk images come in. When it comes to Bible prayer videos, we need more images and more videos, okay? So what we're going to do is that we are going to go back to ChatGPT to ask for image prompt. So on ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 image prompts for this video. With this image prompt ChatGPT has provided, we are going to use another AI tool to generate our images, and that's where the bulk images come in. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy one of the image prompts. So I've generated the first two already, so I'm going to select the third one like this. Then you go to your browser and type Google Flow AI like this. I'm sure you're going to ask, so how do you use Google Flow to generate your bulk images. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to click on the first option like this. Then on the Flow tool, I prefer to use the desktop interface. So I'm going to click on the three dots at the top right and then select desktop site. So it is the desktop site, and I think I prefer to use this one instead. So what I'm going to do here is to enter my prompt ChatGPT provided, right click inside the box and click on paste to generate my images. Now you're going to click on this button, this nano banana button here, to make sure you have selected image. Then select the aspect ratio. We have 16:9, and that's what we want. Then we are going to select the number of images that we want. Since our prayer video, we are only focusing on more images than the consistency of the images, I would rather choose 4 images instead of 1. Okay, so meaning that with every prompt you're going to get 4 images, which you can use all the images for your prayer video. So now I'm going to hit on the generate button to generate my images. Meaning that with the 10 prompt we ask ChatGPT to provide for us, if we are to generate everything, we are going to get 40 images with just one prompt. And that's what I am currently using to generate my background images for my prayer videos. So you can see the images are not the same. You can see the dress here is different from this one. It's also different from this and also different from this. You can see. So meaning that I have 4 different images for my prayer video. So now you can see I've generated other ones here like this. To download your images, just tap on it like this and then click on the download button here to download your images. Okay, so you repeat the same process to generate all your images and download them. So now that we know how to generate our bulk images with Flow AI, the next thing you are going to do is to convert our images into videos, and we're also going to bulk generate our videos, and we're going to use Meta AI to do that. And I'm going to show you how you can download your images with Meta AI free without any watermark. So let me show you how to do that. So open your browser and type Meta AI, then click on the first link to sign in. Now after you sign in, come to this section where we have the plus sign, tap on it and then click on add media and files. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the images that I want to animate. So we're going to click on this images, the 4 images at a go. Okay, you cannot animate more than 4 at a time. So we're going to click on the 4 images and import it to Meta AI. Then I'm going to enter this simple prompt in Meta AI like this. Then I'll click on the paste button and paste it. So this is the prompt I'm using. Create videos from my photos. Make them realistic and emotional. Now, Meta AI is in such a way that if you are not specific with your prompts, your videos are going to be distorted or you're not going to get nice videos reflecting what you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the generate button to generate my first 4 videos. I use the same strategy to generate the rest of the video. You can see all the videos I generated using the same method I'm showing you. And if you can generate 4 videos at a time, you can create a lot of videos in a day. Okay, so now you can see our videos are ready. These are the videos. Now it's time for us to download our videos without watermark. So to download your video without watermark, what I want you to do now is to click on Play Store like this. Then come to the search here and type this app in your search. So video downloader. Okay, tap on it. You're going to see a lot of results, but our focus is going to be on this video downloader with the black icon and the arrow in the middle, this particular one. I'm going to tap on it like this and then click on the install button and install it on your phone. Okay, great. So it's done. Now the next thing you're going to do is to go to Meta AI. So you can even use the app to do that. So this Meta AI. We are going to download the videos we generated. So we can click on this icon, this particular icon. We can tap on it, the share icon, and click on copy link. Okay. When you click on copy link, wait till you see link copied on clipboard. Now open your video downloader like this. Then the moment you open your video downloader, you're going to see the link you copied from Meta AI on the clipboard. Okay. So now you can see the link is showing on the clipboard. Click on the open button like this to start downloading the video. So this is a video. You can see the video. We are going to wave the download button to turn into red like this and then tap on it to start downloading. then just click on download and then click on continue to download to your device. Okay, so it has finished downloading. So you go back to your Meta AI again and then copy the next video link. This is the next video link. You tap on the share button like this and then select that video. So this is the video we want. So you tap on it and then click on copy link. You click on copy link like this. Then you go back to video downloader again to download the next video. You follow the same steps to download all the videos you generated on Meta AI without any watermark. Now, after you finish downloading all your videos, the next thing you're going to do is to put everything together using any editing app of your choice. That's your video clips plus your voiceover together. And so with that, we're going to use CapCut. You can use any editing app of your choice. So we open to CapCut like this, and then you click on add video button to add a video to your timeline. So when you click on add video button like this, you select all the video clips and import it to CapCut. Okay, so these are the video clips we generated, and then click on add and it will be added to your timeline. Now the next thing you need to do is to add your voiceover. To add your voiceover, you see the down part here, we have add audio here. Tap on it like this and then click on sounds. Tap on the sound like this. It's going to bring you to this section. Tap on this folder icon like this. Then choose the location of your voiceover you generated with AI Studio. Tap on device and then select the voiceover. So this is the voiceover we generated. I tap on it. Heavenly. Then I'm going to add it to my timeline. So make sure your video clips matches your voiceover. I'm going to trim it and delete the excess. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add captions. So to add captions, click on this left arrow and then click on the caption button like this. Then you choose one of the templates. So we're going to choose the free template. Okay, so let's go with this free template and click on generate button to generate our caption. This is going to be fast because our video is very short. Then it will generate the captions for you. Then you can add it to your timeline. So it has been added. You can format it anyhow you want, or you can change the position of the captions on the screen. So I'm going to just tap on it and then drop it wherever I want my captions to be on the screen. I'm going to delete this ending, the CapCut ending. Okay, there's the CapCut ending. Select it like this and click on delete button. You can also add transition to your video. So to add transition, click in between one of the clips like this. When you click in between the clips, you're going to see the caption template is going to show. You choose one of the captions that is not destructive, okay? And I think this one is okay. The comparison is okay. Then I'm going to click on the correct sign to add it. Now make sure you apply the effect to all the clips so that you don't do it one after the other. So I'm going to click on apply to all and it will apply to all my clips like this. When you're done with everything, go ahead and click on the export button to export the video to your device. Then you can go ahead to generate more videos in a day using this same method. Okay, since you can now bulk create your images and then bulk create your videos, you can easily create a lot of videos in a day. What do you think about using this method to bulk create your videos or create 100+ videos using this simple method? Is this something you're going to give it a try? Go ahead and share that with me in the comment section, and also go ahead and tell me your experience with this AI tool. If you have already tried this AI tool to generate your images and your videos, go ahead and share your experience with me in the comment section. If you are still facing problem with the Meta AI Watermark, you can also let me know the kind of challenges you are facing. But currently, this is what I'm using on my phone to generate my bulk images and videos using only my phone, no watermark. But there's also a different method you can use to generate on your laptop. So if you want me to also cover the laptop, how you can bulk create with the laptop, and then how to download without watermark on the laptop, go ahead and let me know. Just tell me share on laptop. Just type share on laptop and I'm going to make a video purposely for that. Watch the previous video I created on how I do my tutorial videos. In that video, I share the gadgets I use, all the equipment I use, and how I do my screen recording, my voice recording, and how I am able to merge everything together using my editing app. Make sure you watch that video if you have not watched, because it was a popular request on this channel. So if you also want to start tutorial videos, you can watch that video. That video is popping up right now. Watch it. Until then, my name is Debbie. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.